Well, imagine for a moment if you couldn't vote or choose where you want to live, and all because of a Missouri program meant to care for people who can't care for themselves.
Investigative reporter Matt Fleener has found that Missouri's public guardianship is a complex system of paperwork that some are calling a paper prison. Matt?
That is exactly right. For the past 6 months, we've been digging deep into problems with guardianship in Missouri. Problems the U.S. Department of Justice first exposed 2 years ago. And we found one woman who told the DOJ everything she knew.
It's wrong and kind of crooked, the system.
For Rachel Thompson,
Any incapacity caused by the mental health disability is often temporary.
Missouri's public guardianship system was a paper prison of probate court documents.
I was trying to find where I wrote bottom line.
Shuffling her through 3 Missouri nursing homes.
So when you said if you have a story you'd like to share, that's why I sent the email.
Rachel emailed KMBC 9 Investigates to warn you about her experience with public guardianship.
This brought up a lot of feelings for me and memories. This is a journal that I started in the nursing home.
She also shared her story with the U.S. Department of Justice. It was captured in this 2024 DOJ report under the Biden administration. It found Missourians with mental health disabilities are unnecessarily placed in nursing facilities and under guardianships.
Prisoners know when their sentence ends. You had no clue when you were getting out of guardianship.
Yeah.
The report also found Missouri violated the Americans with Disabilities Act by not putting people in the least restrictive environment. Rachel, who went by Sierra in the report, told the DOJ in one nursing home she wasn't allowed to travel to activities in another building.
I was really depressed. I was crying. I was having panic attacks.
This was a video Rachel recorded in a nursing home 6 years ago. She spent 10 years under guardianship before she was able to get out. A judge appointed a public guardian to take care of her while she was in a mental health crisis and suffering from PTSD following a domestic violence situation.
I tried to stand up for myself that I didn't need a guardian, but I lost.
What did you lose?
Anything you could possibly lose except for your own heartbeat and racing thoughts.
Her guardian had control and made decisions about Rachel's life for a decade.
And 10 years gone from my life, from my mom, my kids, my dad who passed away recently. I would have had 10 more years with him.
Most family members have no idea what's going on.
Rachel's mom, Teresa, thought public guardianship could help her daughter.
And so I thought, okay, well, they're just going to help her. They're right there. She can stay right there with her kids.
Looking back, she would have never allowed it to happen.
I don't like to think about it that much. It's very, it rips at your heart.
Rachel's court-appointed guardian was the Perry County, Missouri public administrator who's since retired. Her former deputy is the new public administrator. KMBC asked for her response on what happened during Rachel's time as a ward of the state. She said she could not comment.
It's not being implemented.
Since that Department of Justice report, Rachel has seen Missouri make no changes to how wards of the state are treated.
What needs to change?
Well, you guys are doing great at some sort of start.
Bottom line, she's calling for oversight of Missouri's public guardians. Those guardians are elected or sometimes appointed to their positions, and she said it is very hard to keep them accountable unless you share your stories and experience. Kelly.
All right, thank you, Matt. Now, we have heard from 34 people since this investigation began who need help with their public guardianship cases. Share your story at investigates@kmbc.com to see if we can help you.
And you can see all of Matt's reporting by clicking the Investigates tab at kmbc.com.